Good morning folks, my name is Richard, welcome to Bikepacking Ventures, and that's my spot over there for the night, down here beside the Grantham Canal. It's been raining for a couple of hours now, just, you know, drizzle, schnizzle. Clock's gone forward, it is now about 7 in the morning. Soon be getting people down here walking, dog walkers and things. Probably not just, I don't think there'll be anybody eager to get here just yet, because say it's raining in the air, it's still cold. Gonna make a brew, have some breakfast, and get ready for the day ahead. It's all a bit gloomy actually, isn't it? So this is the camping spot. Tell you a little bit about the tent itself. This is from Nature Hike. It's the Monga 2, 1 to 2 person tent. It's lovely and spacious inside. It's perfect for bike packing. Lots of room inside for your gear. You know, I left a few bits outside itself on the bike. You know, just the luggage stuff. So this is my outkit, Fiana. Got Rock Brothers top tube bag. This is the race era restrap. The entire tent fits in there, as well as the mat for the ground as well. Talking of the ground, a little bit wet, but otherwise pretty comfortable. Right, might go for a quick walk, quick run, get warmed up a little bit. Familiar sight for anybody who's been bike packing. The view out your tent onto your bike, and the pitter and patter of rain. Some might say this is not the best thing to do inside a tent, but I say 6 degrees outside, it's raining, I want a coffee still. So yeah, this is my Lixada. It's 450 milliliter. That's nothing there for some porridge and a cup of coffee. If not, I'll boil a little bit more water. So yeah, your lovely little spot here, right beside the Grantham Canal. It's the Denton Bridge, just outside. I bet it's a lot better here in the summertime. A bit less gloomy, a bit more busier though, unfortunately, probably. And yeah, turned up last night. There was a VW transporter outside. I'm like, I've come this way. I'm having this spot anyway. And they had a pizza stove outside, cooking a pizza. And there's me with my sweet and sour chicken from the petrol forecourt I'd popped to just beforehand. Anyway, because I was worried I didn't have enough meth burner with me, they actually cooked it for me, so that was very nice of them. Well, it's that time of the morning, so I've got to say bye to the Grantham Canal, get packed away, get moving before it starts raining again. As you can see, the floor of the tent got a little bit damp last night. I managed to keep myself off it though, so all good. Shove that in anyway for now. And get changed in here as well. Maybe I'll leave the sleeping bag down while I just get changed. So this is more my summer sleeping bag rather than the winter one, but days like today certainly needed it. This means things are a little bit tighter getting packed away, but yeah, if you've done this before yourself, you always manage it in the end. The beautiful Grantham Canal. A lovely cloudy green, murky colour. Hello. So what are your plans for this spring? Do you go bikepacking? Is it on your list of to-dos? Really looking forward to getting out there this spring and summer. Get some bikepacking adventures in there at some point, amongst everything else that I'm doing. Big bikepacking adventure for me, if we're thinking off-road, would be the Great British Escapade that I'm taking part in June. Really looking forward to that. Side note, my toes are cold. So I'm heading right down in the direction of Grantham at the moment. towards the city centre. So I'm heading south and east of Grantham towards Falkenham, and then the journey starts north again, back home to Cleethorpes. Today's route is all road, apart from this bit. It's going to be a headwind, I think, 150 kilometres. I'm expecting the winds to be a lot lighter than yesterday. Yesterday was hard work, to say the least. Yesterday's ride was 272 kilometres. My longest ride so far this year was out to the Peak District. I'll try and find that video and stick a link in the corner somewhere. Right, I want to be over there. Ooh, that's low. Grantham Canal. That's the little spot there. Right. Why am I walking? Let's get a bike in. First 25k out of the way, we've stopped here at Falkenham. Lovely little village. Except it's got this really nice market square, but no market. There's just a corner shop just on the end there. Cafe closed, doesn't open on weekends. Like the prime time to open. Somewhere called the Greyhound. Looks like a hotel, but looks like it's closed. Church over there, around the corner's a pub. There's a care home, and that's it. No other business or anything. Showing potential. Don't want to be too melodramatic, but that road, never again. What's it called? Thorpe Tilney Drove. So here on the Witham Bank, running up to, as if it's Conisbee first, and then Water Spa. 7 kilometres of hell. I was singing 10 Green Balls at one point. That was horrific. Why the hell did I put the Lincolnshire Fens in this way back? God, oh God, I'm moaning so much this ride. Told you, I'm being melodramatic. Very tiring, very tiring. Well done if you're still watching this video, folks. Oh, it's been a tough one, and it's not quite going to plan in terms of footage and things. We've struggled to keep warm today. Really struggling. It has warmed up a bit, sun's come out now. So it's feeling a little bit better. But now I'm into, well, God, why the hell did I come this way? The Lincolnshire Fens. Oh, hell, yeah. The Lincolnshire Desert. There's arable land everywhere. Headwind in every direction that you turn. God, absolutely awful. Tough old ride. I've not really wanted to film. With this jacket being on, there's no pockets in it. So, it's the only thing keeping me warm, really. And GoPro hiding in the way in the back pocket. It's only to be one of those rides. Small mileage, but tough mileage. I think it's probably going to be tough all the way back as well. Yeah, so nothing exciting to report on this one.